another CVS haul. So this is my second haul for CVS. There is a really hot toothpaste glitch that I found, so make sure you guys run to CVS to take advantage of this. It winds up being a super hot moneymaker. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification tab so you won't be missing any of the deals that we find throughout the week for CVS, Walgreens, Dollar General, Family Dollar, you name it. If you have any questions, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment below. I did do this in 2 separate transactions, so I'll go over the transactions and how I did it. I wound up getting 8 items for $1.75 out of pocket. Like, I swiped my card for only $1.75, and included is 4 tubes of toothpaste. So I'll show you guys everything on how to do that, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Let's check out the in-store video for some different options that you guys can do, and I'll show you the glitch at the end.
Okay, so for my cosmetic CRT, I'm gonna get 2 of these Revlon. They're spend 10, get a 4. Then I need $1.50 more, so I'm gonna pick up one of these cute lipsticks here. Which one? Let's do this one. No, I already have that one. Let's do this one. I might have that one as well. Oh well, that's okay. So my total will be $12.37. I have a $5 Revlon CRT, a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT, get back $4 for the Revlon, final cost 37 cents for all 3.
Okay, so for the Revlon, what I wound up getting is 2 of these lip balms. They're $5.29 each at my store. The prices can vary from store to store, state to state, so make sure you guys check your pricing and just adjust your math accordingly. So the final was $10.58. For Revlon, when you spend $10, you get a $4 extra back. So what I wound up doing is combining this with a lipstick from Wet n Wild because I had a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT. So these were $12.37. I had a $5 CRT for the Revlon and a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT. So that took off $8. You're gonna have $4.37 left over to pay. You're gonna get back $4, so your final cost is just 37 cents for all 3 items. Really good little stocking stuffers, especially with Christmas right around the corner. But remember, I did not pay that and actually swipe my card for that, and I'll show you how at the end. So here is the glitch deal. So exciting for this. There's 2 ways that you can do it. Online or in-store. I did it both ways. Online is a better deal because all of the coupons wind up applying. In-store, only 2 coupons applied for me. So I'll go over the online version. Then I'll go over the in-store version. So for the online version, I only did the Crest online. So the glitch is all of the coupons for Crest are applying. There is a 5 off 3 digital coupon, a 2 off 1 digital coupon, and a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So when you wind up putting all these in your cart, all 3 of those wind up attaching, which is a glitch because usually they don't. I tried to figure out a way to unclip them and it literally won't let you, so there's no way for us to not take advantage of this deal. So for Crest, it's on a promotion, buy 3, get a $5 extra back. So online, you're gonna put 3 of them in your cart. If you're an Extra Care Pass member, you're gonna get free shipping. So free 1 to 2 day shipping, which is awesome. I'm a Care Pass member. It's a really, really hot deal. You get your prescriptions delivered to your house, which makes it super convenient because I always forget to go to the pharmacy and pick up my prescription. You get 1 to 2 day shipping on the prescription, and if you place an order online, then you also get 20% off of CVS. Anything CVS or Beauty 360 is a CVS brand. You also get $10 extra buck every month, and it only costs you $5. So definitely worth it. If you're not a Care Pass member, I would definitely sign up, but make sure you sign up in store because the cashiers do get like a little commission from signing you guys up in stores. So you're gonna add 3 of them to your cart. Total is gonna be $11.37. Again, my region might be a little different. They're usually $3.79 a piece. That's what it was online for me. So total is $11.37. You're gonna take off $8 in coupons. So you're gonna wind up paying $4.37. Get back a $5 extra buck, makes it a little moneymaker right there. Make sure you guys, obviously you have to pay taxes, but really hot deal if you do it online. Now, in store, I had a 3 off 12 oral care CRT, so I combined them and I did it again in store. And here is my receipt to prove it. Soft soap that I got. And then I got 3 Crest toothpaste. So at this store, the Crests were cheaper. They were $2.69, $2.69, and $4.39. So it wound up being $9.77. Now, you see it here says Oral-B. This is the 5 off 3. Then I have a $1 off 1 Crest. So both of those wound up applying. Then I had a $1 off coupon for the Colgate that I printed from coupons.com. It may still be available, but definitely check as soon as you guys can. It's gonna be in the description box for you. So what I wound up doing is combining all of these because I had that 3 off 12 oral care CRT. So it wound up being, let's see, $12.76. So I was able to use that $3 off 12 CRT for oral care, toothpaste, mouthwash, so on and so forth. So you're gonna wind up subtracting, like for this one, the $5 applied, the $1 applied, and then we had a $1 off printed from this. So that's $7 in coupons, plus the $3 CRT, that takes off $10. So you're gonna pay $2.76 out of pocket. Then you're gonna get back $5 extra buck for the Crest and $2 extra buck, I'm sorry, for the Colgate. So you're gonna get back $7 in extra bucks. So it winds up being free plus a $4 and change moneymaker. So super, super hot deal. Now, I'll show you guys how I only paid $1 and about 75 cents out of pocket. I actually swiped my card for that. So what I did first was this deal. And here's my receipt again. So after all these coupons, I used a $3 beauty buck that I had. So my final cost out of pocket was just, what? $1.32 because I had to pay taxes. So I swiped my card for $1.32. That covered all the toothpaste and that covered this soft soap. Now I got $1 back extra buck for the soft soap. $2 back for the Colgate and $5 back for the Crest. So that wound up giving me back $8 in extra bucks. Now, my second transaction, I did the cosmetics. So I did the 2 Revlon and then I did the Wet n Wild, okay? So as you see here, the coupons that I had a $5 off Revlon CRT, $3 off 12 cosmetic CRT. Then the only thing I used was 2 $2 off CRTs from this previous transaction. So I used a $2 off CRT from this. This was a $1 CRT, and then I had another one as well. So if you want, because this I only wound up paying 37 cents out of pocket. So you can use the $2 and the $1, then you'll pay $1.37 out of pocket. If you want to use the $5, you can, but you will wind up losing a little bit because you're not going to get that remainder back. So that is how I only had to swipe my card for 37 cents. So in total it was about, or 46 cents, I'm sorry, for the taxes. So in total I paid about $1.78 for everything that we went over in this video. So super hot deal. Make sure you guys are doing a couple transactions and figuring out the math to make sure you can use your extra bucks from one transaction and roll it into another transaction to really get your out of pocket as low as possible. If you guys have any questions, if any of that wasn't clear, please make sure you guys drop a comment below. I'd love to be able to help you guys so everyone can take advantage of this deal, get some great money makers, and stock up on some toothpaste. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.